Hello. So I'm Annette and I'm from Law Quilt, and I always tell people that they need to do video, and now I'm taking my own advice. So this is my first video, and I'm going to be coming to you more often, giving small law firms, solo law firms, the information they need to do some really awesome digital marketing on their own. So today we're going to talk about long tail keywords. What is it? Who needs it? Why should you as a law firm even care about it? So if you have a website, you want it to get to the top of Google, right? That's what everybody wants. In order to do that, you want Google to understand that you're the best choice. You are the law firm that they want to serve up on a plate to all of your potential clients before everybody else, before all those other law firms. So the way you do that is you obviously have to have this holistic digital marketing strategy. We're going to talk about all that eventually, one thing at a time, people. So the first thing we're going to talk about is long tail keywords. So you need to constantly be having fresh content on your site. You could have the very best site in the entire world with tons of really great quality content full of value, so that when a potential client gets on there, they understand their answers to their questions about how long is a bankruptcy going to take, how are my marital assets divided in a divorce in this state. But if that content is not being constantly updated, if you are not continuing to produce fresh content, Google will start dropping you in the ranks. So you need to keep content on there, but you need to keep content on your website, keep producing content on your website that people are actually looking for. Okay, the way you do this is through long tail keywords. Every one of your articles should be trying to rank for a long tail keyword. And I'm gonna tell you a secret. A long tail keyword is just a phrase. It's just a phrase. It's just a bunch of words put together, and they made up the name long tail keyword because I guess that sounds good. But all you need to know is that a long tail keyword is just a phrase that people are putting in Google. You want to find the phrase that people are typing into Google that not a lot of other people are already ranking for. So if you type in personal injury attorney, New York City, that is going to be harder to rank for than, let's say, compensation for slip and fall accident in Blue Springs, Missouri. So you want to find something that's super relevant to you and then try to rank for it. I'm going to give you another tip. When you're looking at the top in Google, when you're typing in the keyword that you are trying to rank for, look at the bottom. Go scroll all the way to the bottom of the first page. And you know what? It will say people who search for this term also search for, and there's a ton of other keywords down there, long tail keywords. That's a gold mine. So either you want to use the long tail keyword that you put at the top of Google, or you want to use one of those down below, or here's the best, use all of them, because then the Google bots will understand that, hey, this article that's trying to rank for slip and fall injury in Blue Springs, Missouri, is also including keywords like compensation for slip and fall in the state of Missouri, the things you need to have to prove slip and fall in the state of Missouri. So you can use all of that together to write a really excellent blog post. So it's important to have fresh content, but it's important to have content that has amazing long tail keywords in it so that you rank, so that your efforts writing this amazing blog post don't go to waste. So if you have any questions about how to find long tail keywords, or whether or not the ones that you found are really quality ones, you can just message me. Just message me here below, and I'll try to answer your questions. All right, thanks, and here's to many, many more videos to come. Thanks, guys. Bye.